this is Kyle with EnviroCleanse, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our EnviroCleanse mobile air system. This system will process 250 cubic feet per minute of air when it's running on high. The system utilizes 2 stages of filtration. And what really separates this system from other systems on the market is the first stage of filtration is actually a patented media that can capture and eliminate a broad spectrum of chemical pollutants. The second stage of filtration is a HEPA filter, so it's able to capture 99.99% of particulate matter down to 0.3 microns. And the way this system works is the air is going to flow from the top down through both stages of filtration and out through the bottom front panel. The system has 4 speeds. There's off, then the 4 speeds are wisp air, low, medium, and high. And it's at high where you'll get the 250 feet per minute of cubic air.